Hi, my name is Divya and I'm a designer at Designing Kitchen, and today I'm showing you this beautiful kitchen with the island, and this is a perfect concept for our open kitchen concept basically, with having a maximum storage using wall cabinets as well as base cabinets, and this island with a tall cabinet over there. Also, it's been perfect concept for the island, like which is a triangle for the kitchen is being used, having a cooking zone with a prep counter and having a wet zone with a sink cabinet, as well as having a storage cabinet over there which is a storage zone, and this is a basically a fridge zone which fridge can be kept over there. So I'm just going to give you a sneak peek. Before that, I'd just like to tell you that we are doing this kitchen in a core material of HHMR, which is a termite proof and waterproof as well. And this comes with a different finishes. Right now we have used a wall cabinet which is a matte laminate, and on the bases we have used a high gloss laminate which is from the Merino brand. Also we are dealing with a couple of new finishes as well, which is acrylic finish, which is a glass finish, and there's a naked glass finish also. And if I talk about the premium finish, we have a PU finish which is there with us. And then another, we have a laminate finish over here. We're going to give you complete fittings what we have used over here. So let me give you a walkthrough over here and how we have planned this kitchen completely for you and for your clones. So coming over here, so this is a cutter unit we can accommodate with a wooden finish on it, which has a foil box just to cutter the foil. Then coming over here, this is a grain unit. Also we can organize certain finishes like this to organize your bowls in a certain manner. Then this is a lift up, if you see over here. Also we can have some spotlight on the box itself, so we can probably highlight the cabinet itself. And we have used puller profile, which is being handleless for the kitchen itself. Then coming over here, this is a 3 feet drawer, which is basically a cutlery drawer which has maximum storage for your cutlery to organize in different sizes of it varied. So basically this is a wooden piece if you want to have something highlighting in the cutlery unit. Then this is another drawer which has an internal drawer itself, if you see. And this is one fitting we can accommodate in your different kind of a drawer as well. Also we have a sliding shutter like this. So this is another fitting from Hethik. So we are going to use every fitting from Hethik itself. Then this is the 3 wicker basket to organize your all aloo pyaaz storage. This comes in 3 different sizes. One is a small, one is in a medium size, and one is in a larger size. So probably you can have it in a different 3 segments and different sizes. Then this is a corner unit, which we can probably have it for the maximum storage, and you can have it complete access to your corner unit itself. So if we talk about, there's no bang sound coming in from your hinges. So this one corner is an S corner in terms of to use your maximum storage for your corner units. Then this one is a pantry unit. If you see over here, this one is a pantry unit with 2 different sizes of shelf. And then there's a pull-out drawers. If you see over here, there's a pull-out drawers, and each drawer has a capacity of 30 kgs, which is maximum storage if you talk about. And 30 kgs is the maximum storage if someone is looking for a drawer to be like how much weight is to be accommodated for each drawer. And there's all soft close. And we have used a simple handle just to highlight this because there's no polar profile as such. We can probably plan it for the kitchen cabinet over here, so that's why we have given handles. This is our island which is being prepared for the cooking zone and as well as the prep zone, you can see. So this is all push to open. So this one is a 4 feet drawer which accommodates your cutlery as well as your masalas can be kept over here in a different organization. Then this is your cup saucer drawer if somebody is looking for a cup saucer or bowls to be kept, so we can certainly plan their cup saucers like this. Then this is a pot and pan drawer to keep your big utensils like kadhai and all. So we can probably plan it certainly over here. BPO, which is water pull out rack. So probably we can organize your oil, ketchup bottles, vinegar bottles into this unit. Also we can have certain island chimney like this. Thank you.